Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an evening cleaning routine. My evening cleaning routine is probably more important than any of the other cleaning routines that I have because it really helps me set up for success for the next day. You could get started the next day with a fresh start and all ready to go. So I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you some motivation to create your own cleaning routine that works for you. I'm also gonna be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, so make sure that you enter that by hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and sharing it on social media. After dinner, I like to clean up all of the dishes and load up the dishwasher. I don't usually have too much because I like to gradually load the dishes as the day goes on.
Notion in my head because there are so many things that I left.
Next, I am going to wash any dishes that need to be done by hand. To wash my sink, I just use dish soap for this. I'm going to wipe down the dinner table and the chairs. I have a 15-month-old, so mealtime gets pretty messy, so I have to wipe down this table pretty often. Then I will just clear anything left out on the counters. Then I will wipe down the counters as well as the appliances. I talked about this granite cleaner in my last video, but I really like it because it works really well and it smells really nice, so I'll make sure to leave that link down below if you guys are interested.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
I have to wipe down my appliances every day because they get lots and lots of fingerprints on them. I'm just using the Wyman stainless steel wipes. These are probably the best thing for stainless steel that I have found because it doesn't leave any streaks. It looks a little weird when you put it on because there's an oil type cleaner in the rag, but it dries streak free, so it's really great. I also like to clean my stove top after dinner. It gets pretty messy from cooking, so I'm just using a Clorox wipe to wipe down the interior under the grates. This seems to work really well because a lot of times if I use a wash rag or something, it'll get really greasy from the cooking oil that we use, and so this way I can just wipe it down and then throw away the rag. Then I sweep our wood floors and use my spot mop. I scrub the floors once a week, but this helps minimize the mess in between. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay
till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Then I will straighten up the living room and create a cozy feeling around the house by lighting a few candles. That's all for this cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and help me get to that 500 subscriber mark so we can do a giveaway. I'll see you guys later.